One of the manufacturing faults or bad techniques that I saw was that for the stringers, it was just straight up, a hole just drilled right through the stringers for water drainage. I think that's how the termites were able to get to basically any stringer they wanted to. How water seeped in and got it all bad. But I decided to use a hole saw, drill a hole, and then put a PVC pipe through and seal it in there. I'm just using the cheap liquid nails. It's like $7 for, I think it was like a 20-ounce tube, something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna show how I'm doing the deck drains. So underneath I got that hosing, which goes down through there and then goes through the side in that through hole fitting. So I just drilled these with a what did it say? Doesn't really matter. With that hole saw, and then I'm gonna put probably this one over here, and then this one over here. So I'm kind of disappointed that I dropped this one when I was getting the hosing at Lowe's, and it cracked. Like I'm kind of annoyed at that. But once I put the sealant on there, I can kind of remake the shape with the sealant, or body filler I can use to redo the shape. Also, so I'm gonna use heavy duty sealant. Again, this is why I don't record a lot of videos, because it takes twice as long to do anything while recording a video for me, because I only am recording with my phone. Yeah, try to do a little bit of recording today. So basically, just adding that little bit of sealant helps it a bit from like vibrations when you're moving. Like if you got too much vibrations and it made the whole thing come loose, then that could be kind of bad. I mean, not too concerned about that because it's inside the boat, but this is kind of similar to putting in the ones on the side of the boat. You want to put a good amount of sealant. So once you got that in, then put the other side on. And then usually for the ones on the outside of the boat, once I put the through-hole fitting through, I like to put like the higher density sealant. Okay, let's imagine you got the through-hole fitting going through here. The part where the hose attaches is by my thumb. So I like to spread high density, like kind of like silicone or whatever, like around the threads here, so that it holds on to the threads and doesn't let it come undone. And I've had very good luck with that. Also the same with like, what is it? Also the same with like a live well, fitting. It put a lot of the high density silicone, which is like this stuff right here. Thanks. Okay, that one didn't get very good bond, but like this stuff, it's almost like 5200. That stuff's not coming off, especially when it has like a surface like that. Come on. Yeah. Gorilla Glue, higher density. It's not called high density. It's basically this one, but the even heavier duty construction adhesive. And it's the one that says it can set underwater. So there's two different other qualifications. It's kind of like an arrow and then two lines right there. And then, yeah, use that one. It's also really good for like sealing the offshore bracket or the engine mount, whatever you want to call it.